To reach 1 million views on YouTube, it's essential to take a strategic and consistent approach that involves both content creation and channel optimization. First, focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and valuable videos that cater to a specific audience or niche. Understanding your target viewers and tailoring your content to their interests significantly increases your chances of getting noticed. Pay attention to video titles, descriptions, and tags. These should be optimized with relevant keywords to enhance visibility through YouTube's search and recommendation algorithms. A strong, eye-catching thumbnail is just as important as the video itself. It acts like a mini poster that convinces users to click. Custom thumbnails that are visually appealing and clearly convey the video's content tend to perform better. In addition to visuals, consistency in uploading content helps keep your audience engaged and encourages the YouTube algorithm to favor your channel. Uploading videos on a regular schedule can create anticipation and loyalty among viewers. Promoting your videos outside of YouTube also plays a major role. Sharing them across social media platforms, blogs, forums, and newsletters can drive external traffic to your channel. Collaborating with other creators is another powerful way to cross-promote content and reach new audiences. If your collaborator has a larger or complementary fan base, their audience could become your audience too. Audience engagement is critical. Responding to comments, asking viewers questions, and encouraging likes and shares fosters a community around your content. This engagement signals to YouTube that your videos are valuable, increasing their chances of being recommended to others. Using features like cards, end screens, and playlists can help keep viewers on your channel longer, boosting watch time, a key metric in YouTube's recommendation system. Finally, analyzing your video performance through YouTube Analytics allows you to understand what's working and what isn't. Monitoring viewer retention, click-through rates, and engagement can help refine your strategy over time. Combining creativity with these tactical methods is the most effective way to steadily grow your channel and eventually hit that 1 million view milestone.